this Jaguar SUV F-Pace. What we're gonna be doing today will be the front end PPF, which is gonna be front bumper, lights, quarter panels, hood, and also side view mirrors. After that gets done, we're gonna do the two-step paint correction on it. Even though it's a brand new car, it's only been out for maybe 100 miles. It already has swirl marks and scratches on the paint, and even has some deep scratches which we will get rid of. As far as those, we're probably gonna do a two-step on it. What we're gonna do tomorrow is gonna be the ceramic tints all around, including the front windshield, and also installing the 5-year ceramic coating, which is gonna go on everything on the vehicle. That will be day 2, and then for the 3rd day, that's when we do our final touches. We like to let the ceramic coating cure overnight. That way it gets the proper curing process. You don't want to leave it out in the street where it's gonna get contaminated, get dirt, dust, because you know we take those extra steps that other shops don't. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we polished the front end. We didn't really need to do a paint correction on the front end since it's getting PPF. It cleaned up pretty nice, but we did see there are some deep scratches here and there throughout the hood. So here are some deep scratches. You're gonna see some over there too. PPF is gonna cover that. We're not gonna be able to see that. Let's take the car outside. We're gonna do a further inspection on it just to make sure there's no deep scratches that we are gonna miss. Like I said, what we wanna do here, achieve here is, you know, give the best work in the city. And what that means is we're gonna pay attention to the details and we're gonna tackle those details. We're gonna let the customer know ahead of time, like, hey, this is what we found. What do you want us to do about it? And then we're gonna suggest, you know, what should be done versus, you know, what their budget is, and also if they want to go that far into doing paint enhancements. So right now we're doing a deep wheel detail. So what that involves is letting the products do most of the breakdown of the dirt, grime, and grease that's stuck behind it, and then, you know, the contact wash, which is, you know, brushes, scrubbing the wheels, scrubbing the tires, everything in between. By the way, I know you haven't subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Keep you up to date every time we upload a brand new video. For the best work in the city, make sure you tap in.
That's really good, man. Like, I mean, even the edges on this, you can't see it at all.
That's where we go. Best work in the city. That's what we aim for.
Man, I appreciate the hard work, though, man. This
For sure, man.
This came out really, really clean.
And you know, we took our time, which is what we try to do with every project. We don't want to rush it. Nothing lifted, nothing was bubbling. Pretty clean install, so we're super happy with what we accomplished for sure. And this is the first time we do this car, so it was pretty awesome.
Yeah, I appreciate the hard work, Caesar. Your team's awesome, dude.
Jaguar is out the door. Best work in the city and the streets now. We did everything that we could to that car. We ceramic coated it, did tints, front end PPF, everything. Instead of stars, we did patterns on the ceiling. We wrote Jaguar on the column. You know, just to make sure we give it that little extra that what separates us from the rest, what separates them from the rest, and most importantly, the best work in the city. So make sure you like, you subscribe, you ring the bell for notifications, and keep following the growth. Make sure you tap in for the best work in the city. Hey, hold on. Bitch, better act like you know better. Ready? Oh, I think too much. when nobody watching.